It's a box. Something sounds quiet. This Project Polar Cub is going to be a little bit more challenging. As you can tell, it's been kind of mangled and the back cage can't even line up. I mean, when I tie one down, the other one pops up, so that's not even in addition to why I even bought it in the first place. So this is going to be an interesting thing. This is going to be interesting. I mean, at least it spins, so we got that going first, which is nice. We have to readjust the blade, but mainly if I can get this cage to stay put, I can work on it further. Either way, stand by. Yeah, I got the blade off. It's a bland blade. So at least now I got a little more clearance to try and get this cage aligned. This other top is going to be a challenge. I might have to use zip ties or something, but I really don't want to use zip ties. I mean, it's literally dusty, like it has been sitting in a barn for so long. I don't even know if it works. I mean, hell, the real issue why I bought it, because there's no coward. There's no coward. But we all know why these things usually end up going cheap, because, well, you know, I'll explain later, so stand by for that. It's off. Now, I want to try and squeeze a little bit to give it a little more, to maybe kind of clamp it together. I mean, I'm not like Bulk Brogan where I can bend metal with my bare hands, or rip a phone book. So, I figured since I have them off, I may as well clean this up and get the oil motored up, because who knows how long it's been since it's got oiled, so. But like I said, this has been sitting in somebody's barn for forever. Yeah, it definitely needs oil because it has that burnt smell, like it hasn't been oiled in years. It's like, so. And to take off the base of this Polar Cub is going to be difficult. Well, not really difficult, it's just, it's pressed on. Oh, it's not good. Either way, I'm not going to do it on camera because, like I said, it'll take too long. I don't want to waste my film. And some people don't like long videos because their attention spans are short. So, stand by for that. I actually clamped it, so at least there's going to be no play. So it's going to be snugly fit and hopefully even. So we'll see what we got. Next order of business is to clean this bland blade. It's a bland blade. Bland, but whatever. But before I do that, gotta take a break for a lovely beverage. Oh, that's good. better. It's more shiny, shiny thing. So, I mean, I'll probably do a better job later. I just want to get this going halfway decent, so at least if it works, great. If it don't, well, maybe it won't be all for nothing. So let me put this back together, and we'll hopefully get to the real project. Yeah, I'm dawdling. Sort of dawdling. Okay, there it is. How it would look like if it had a cord, but it's obviously a bigger polar cub than I have. So this one's obviously like maybe a 12-inch. So, and yeah. And before I forget, it's a Kellogg A440 in case anybody wants to know the information. So, with that in mind, we're gonna get this back off, change the cord, and pray that it works. Yeah, that's exactly how it looks like. Of course, I had to pry it off, so it's not that hard, but it's sometimes challenging. We'll have to figure something out. Yeah, look at this. Crumbly, crumbly. Yeah. So, I don't know what the heck Polar Cub used in their cords, but yeah, I can even look at it and it'll crumble, so hopefully a new cord will help. But I didn't snap anything. It's not pretty, but I'm sure it'll work because I had to strip some wire off right here, praying I didn't snap the wire in the rotor. Of course, if I do, well then guess what? It's game over. But I've only done that once. That was on an old Arctic Air, so yeah. So I guess what I'm going to do, we're going to put it back on, and, well, I'm going to show the popping the thing back on. So stand by. It's probably not going to be that good, but who cares? All right. Slide it over there. Slide it over this. Slide it over that. With a little kiss. And maybe it'll get better, but I don't know. And needless to say, I kind of mangled it while prying it off, so it's like, there's damage. But we're going to see what it does. Pray that it works. Here it is, sort of fixed up. Unfortunately, I think the oscillator may be messed up because I tried to turn it to engage it. It wouldn't, it kept turning. So we'll see what happens. And I have it right here because sometimes I don't trust myself. Here we go. Well, it works. Oh. Okay. There's a problem. Let's let it work. Yeah, oscillator broke. Nice. That could probably explain a lot. Well, if it's just going to focus. Let me see if there's any way I can do this. Well, when you try and disengage it, it's stuck, but I don't know. This thing's all goofed up. Well, I got it a little better, but I don't know if it will oscillate, because who's to say it won't come undone again? Don't know. Let's try this again, shall we? Looks like this one is going on the back burner because you saw it would spin and then stall, spin and stall, spin and stall. I don't know what the hell happened. And I don't know. But yeah, this Kellogg A440 Polar Cub from like the early 50s, yeah. I had high hopes, but now I can't get it to go right. So, like I said, go on the back burner. Of course, also doesn't help with the oscillator, so knackered. It's not funny. So, let's go from there. Eventually. Or never, because I don't know. I don't care anymore. So, until next time, if ever, I'm Eskie. Thanks for watching. Come on,